guys, in this video I'm going to show you some drills to help improve your core. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is a plank. So when you're doing a plank, you want to make sure your hands are like this. You can either put them together or out. And then you want to make sure you have a nice straight line. You don't want your butt to be up. You don't want it to be like too low to the ground. And when you're doing this, you want to hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. So the next drill we're going to do is the V-sit. So what you want to do is you can just hold this okay, so the next drill we're going to do is the V-sit. So what you want to do is lay on your back, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come up and like tuck your toes like a V and then come back down. So you're just going to do that 30 times. Just like that. Okay, the next one that you should do is sit-ups. And when you're doing sit-ups, make sure you're not doing crunches, you're doing actual sit-ups. You want to do 15 of these. So don't go like this, because that's a crunch. Make sure you're going all the way up to your knees and back down. Okay, the next core drill is a Superman. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay on your stomach, you're going to put your arms out, and you're going to come up. Just like that, and you're going to do that 10 times. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is the Cupid Shuffle in a plank. So you're just going to follow along to the lyrics of the song.
Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're going to do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time.
Hop forward.
Right foot, left stomp. Left foot, left stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth.
Tip your hips down.
Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time.
Hop forward.
Right foot, left stomp. Left foot, left stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right.